Chapter 1, use case. So what we see for use case for price sensitivity, one of those is to give you a very clear guidance in how you can execute price experiments for margin improvements. Because after we have done our analysis, there is a price sensitivity score, which we will show you a bit down the line. And based upon that sensitivity score, you can actually do some proper margin optimization. Second one is redefining your product group based on sensitivity for net price communication and discount. So think in this case, more specifically for a B2B scenario, that am I giving the right discount to the right consumer, right? So what we see happening a lot of time is that for the full product portfolio, a customer group gets discounted. So 5%, 10%, 20%, whatever. But if you can have a very clear understanding what is the need from your customer and what is their most price sensitive products, you can actually make sure that you don't have to offer the full discount over the full portfolio, but you can give them the right product selection. That's where you need to discount upon. And the other ones you don't. So this will give you a very good understanding on, am I giving away too many discounts? Third one, defining which products are sensitive for a revenue increase. So think very specifically here about promos, more in an e-commerce perspective. If you want to know about your full product portfolio on which products you should do a promo, where are they the most effective, you basically want to know which of my products are the most sensitive. So which of these products bring most possible clients to my web shop or somewhere else, right? So those products you should put into a promo that increases your revenue, that drives traffic to your specific website or your shop. So think about Heineken, to take it for example as well, right? The amount of times beer has been discounted in the supermarket because they know that's where people make their decision to go to that specific supermarket because they get their beer cheaper. But your Lay's, chips, and other things you want to buy together with it are priced higher than they usually are. And then you have your fourth step, and that's actually, we can help you by means of price sensitivity on defining the optimal price position of your product portfolio. And this is very specifically, for example, for manufacturers, where we then can see, based upon a value mapping, where should you position yourself in the market based upon price sensitivity.